Hi, Liam. How old are you? How old are you? Can you do it? 1. Yeah, very close. Hey, it's actually Lauren's birthday today. January 30th, 2007. That's right. You got graham crackers all over your face. Can you smile? Can you smile for the camera? Liam, where's your truck? Where is it? Where's your truck? No, it's not over there. Those are the big real trucks. That's a new house that's being built across the street. You can't probably see. Maybe you can. Yeah. Right? But where's your truck? It's over there. See? Right, that's right. Liam, how big are you? How big are you, Liam? How big are you? So big. How big are you, Liam? How big is Liam? How big is Liam? No, you won't do it? Thank you. Got another one there? Thanks. How big is Liam? So big. No, you won't do it? Magazine? Thanks. How big is Liam?